Hey, it's Sunday. I don't know if I filmed anything yesterday. I can't remember. I might have done. I'm so sweaty. I've been cleaning my house. I'm trying to decat the living room because I want to try and have one room downstairs that isn't just fucking full of cat hair. Every time the kids go to school in the morning, my glasses have just steamed up. I'm so sweaty. Every time they go to school in the morning, they just get covered in cat hair before they're even at school, and it's just stressing me out a bit. I've done that. I've now come upstairs to tidy my bedroom and to sort the door out in my room. And Fox has taken the door handle. Because I took it off to have a look at it. And he has taken a fucking door handle bit. So, I don't know where he's put it. I'm just going to have a search around in here and see if he's hidden it in here. And then I'm going to have to go and look in his room. But that is what I'm trying to do. I've done the cat poo already today. What else have I done? Not a lot, if I'm honest. I laid in bed until like 9 o'clock, which was lovely. I woke up at 6. My body clock woke me up at 6, but I just laid in bed watching YouTube videos and stuff. So yeah, that was nice. It's now, what time is it? 11:56. So I'm picking the kids up. I need to leave here about 2 to pick the kids up. But I want to try and get this door fixed. I might go and see if Tiger's got anything that he can help me with. Yeah, we shall see. I'm not sure what's going on with my hair today. I look a fucking mess. It's only like another, what day is it today? I've got like less than, I think it's a week tomorrow, and all this is going to be blonde. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so fucking bored of this colour. And I've been really proud of myself for not touching it. So my hairdresser will be very pleased with me, because I think she thought I was going to come in like 10 days time and be like, I've done something. But I haven't. I've been very good. So wish me luck in finding this fucking door handle. Because I don't think I've got time to go to the shop and buy a new one. So